In page number 31, we can see three fractions. We want to convert the three fractions into decimal forms with a method which we had already used. It is 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3, the first fraction. And 2 by 3, we want to convert the denominator into 10. That is 20 by 3 into 1 by 10. Then you can see 20 by 3 into 1 by 10. 20 by 3 is equal to 6. 6 and remainder is 2. Remainder 6 3 are 18. Remainder is 2. 6 2 by 3 into what? 1 by 10. Then what is 6 2 by 3? 6 2 by 3 is 6 plus 2 by 3 into what? 1 by 10. 6 plus 2 by 3. 6 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 10. Then how you do this? 6 plus 2 by 3. That is 6 into 1 by 10. 6 into 1 by 10 is what? 6 by 10 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 10. That is 2 by 3 into 10. It can be written as 6 by 10 plus, and 2 and 10 cancel. We get 5 here, and 3 into 5 is equal to 15. You get 1 by 15. And now you can write 2 by 3 minus 6 by 10 has the value 1 by 15. And you want to put a box here. 2 by 3 minus 6 by 10 is equal to 1 by 15. And now you want to find, that is 2 by 3 in the term of the denominator we want to change as 100. Then here 200 by 3 into 1 by 100. It happened what? 2 by 3. 20 cancel. Then what is 200 by 3? You know 200 by 3 division. That is 3. 6 3 are 18 and remainder 2. And again 20. 6 3 are 18. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. Then 66 2 by 3. And this fraction is 66 2 by 3. This fraction is 66 2 by 3 into 1 by what? 100. And that happens 66 into 1 by 100. That is 66 by what? 100. Plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 100. That is 2 by 3 into what? 100. What happened? That is 66 by 100 plus 2 and 100 cancel. We get 50 here, and 3 into 50 is 150. That is 1 by 150. You get 1 by what? 150. Then again you write 2 by 3 minus this, what is 66 by 100 is equal to, you get what? 1 by 150. 1 by 150. And this can be taken as next form. And following like this, in next step you get 2 by 3 again. That is make as 2000 by 3 into 1 by 1000. And you can see this will be equal to 666 2 by 3 into 1 by 1000. And that will be equal to 666 by 1000 plus 2 by 3 into 1000. And again 2 and 1000 cancel. 500 get here. That is 666 by 1000 plus 2 by, not 2 by, 1 by what happened? 1500. Again this subtraction. This can be in this side. 2 by 3 minus here what? 666 by what? 1000. You get what? 1 by 1500. And this can be taken as the next equation. And now what you can see here, in the later class we studied that, we can recall that this difference is 1 by 15 and this difference is 1 by 150. That is, the difference between these two is very larger than difference between these two. And when compared with this, what happened? The difference between these two is very small. And now by you forwarding like this, you have 2 by 3 minus 666 by 1000, and next put a 6 here and put a 0 here. This difference will be very small. And again you put a 6 here and put a 0 here. This difference will be very small. Again you put a 6 here and put a 0 here. This difference will be very small. And on going like this, 6 0 6 0, like this, what happened? This difference is very negligible. First the difference is big one, and next difference is small one, and it is minute, and now it is vanished, and we can't see any difference between these two. Therefore, these two has no any difference between these two. That is why we can see the value of 2 by 3 is equal to what? That is 0.666666666, etc. How many 6 will exist? Therefore, this equal will be very clear when we increase this 6 here. Therefore, 2 by 3 has a decimal value 0.6666, etc. Now, you can do this 5 by 6 and also 1 by 9. First of all, you want to do 1 by 9. And 1 by 9, what is 1 by 9? When looking 1 by 9, the denominator want to make as the power of 10. Therefore, 10 by 9 into what? 1 by 10. And what happened? What is 10 by 9? 1 9 is 9 and remainder is 1. Therefore, 1 9 is 9. 1 full 9 and remainder is 1. 1 1 by 9. 1 1 by 9 into, we get what? 1 by 10. That is, you get, what is 1 plus 1 by 9? This is 1 plus 1 by 9. Therefore, 1 into 1 by 10 is 1 by 10. Plus, you get what? 1 by 9 into 1 by 10 is 1 by 90. Therefore, from this equation, 1 by 9 minus, that is what? 1 by 10. You get what? 1 by 90. You put in the box. And now, we want to change 1 by 9. Denominator 1 by 9 is equal to 100 by 9 into 1 by 100. What happened? 100 by 9. 100 by 9. There is no need of this type division. 100 by 9 is equal to 199. Again remainder 1, 0, 199. Again remainder 1. 11 1 by 9. 11 1 by 9. 11 1 by 9 into 1 by what? 100. And that is, you get 11 plus 1 by 9. This is 11 plus 1 by 9. 11 by 100 plus 1 by 900. Then this will be like this equation. You get 1 by 9 minus 11 by 100 is equal to 1 by 900. And put in a box. And next, an equation, that is 1 by 9 is equal to what? 1000 by 9 into 1 by 1000. And that is why we get here what? 1 by 9. 111 1 by 9 into 1 by 1000. That is equal to 111 by 1000 plus what you get? 1 by 9 into 1000. What is 1 by 9000? And here also the difference 1 by 9 minus here what? 111 by 1000 is equal to, you get what? 1 by 9000. And from this third equation, you can see this difference is big, but this difference is small, and this difference is very small. Therefore, you know what is our idea. That is 1 by 9 is slightly equal to 1 by 10. And here you can see 1 by 9 is very closely goes to this form. 1 by 9 is very closely goes to this form. That is 1 by 9 is equal to what? 111 by 1000. And when we put a 1 here, we put a 0 here. When we put a 1 here, we put a 0 here. And when we put a 1 here, we put a 0 here. then it is very closely, it will be very equal, very closely, and the difference will be very 0. Therefore 1 by 9 is equal to, the value is 0.0.11111 is the decimal form corresponding to 1 by 9. Now the second one, 5 by 6. Then 5 by 6 you can see, and 5 by 6 you want to transfer into, in the denominator is multiple of 10. That is 50 by 6 into 1 by what? 10. Then what is 50 by 6? 50 by 6 is equal to 8 6 are 48 and the remaining is 2. 8 6 are 48 and the remainder is 2. Then you get 8 and 2 by 6, or 8 plus 2 by 6. 8 2 by 6 into what? 1 by 10. And that is equal to 8 into 1 by 10. 8 into 1 by 10 is equal to 8 by 10 plus 2 by 6 into 1 by 10. 2 by 6 into 1 by 10, 2 and 10 will be cancelled, 5, and 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Therefore 1 by, you get 1 by what? 1 by 30. And now you put an equation, 1 by 5 by 6 minus 8 by 10 is equal to what? 1 by 30. That is an equation here. And now you want to transform 5 by 6 is equal to 500 by 6 into 1 by 100. 500 by 6 into 1 by 100. Then what is 500 by 6? You can division 500 by 6. That is 8 6 are 48. Remainder is 2, 20. Then 3 6 are 18. You get 3. 3 6 are 18 and the remainder is again what? 2. Then you write it is what? 83 2 by 6 into 1 by 100. This 1 by 100. That is equal to 83 by 100 plus 2 by 6 into 100. You get 2 and 2 by 6 is cancelled. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 1 by 100 is 1 by, you get what? 1 by, you get what? 1 by 300. Then now you can put an equation, that is 5 by 6 minus 83 by 100 is equal to 1 by 300 is another equation you can put here. Then one more step you can do. What is that? Again 5 by 6 is equal to 5000 by 6 into 1 by 1000. That is, what is 5000 by 6? You can again continue this again. 5000 here. And 5000 by 6 is here. Again 0. And you can put again 3 here. That is, you get 18 and the remainder is 2. Therefore, you get 833 2 by 6. 833 2 by 6 into 1 by what? 1000. And that you get 833 by what? 1000 plus, and 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 1 by 1000 is what? 1 by 3000. And now another equation, that is 5 by 6 minus what? 833 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 3000. Another equation here. And now we said what? This difference is very big and this difference is very small and this difference is very negligible, and when you put this difference is negligible, that is, this value will be equal to 833 by what? 1000. And when you put a 3 here and when you put a 0 here, this difference is become very negligible. And when you put a 3 here, when you put a 0 here, this will be, difference will be again and again negligible. And when you put a 3 here, when you put a 0 here, it will be negligible, and this value will be very near to this value. Therefore, you want to prove, you want to take 5 by 6 has a decimal value 0.83333, and the 3 is repeating here. And now there is a question. Using algebra, explain why 1 by 10, 11 by 100, 111 by 1000 of any number get closer and closer to 1 by 9 of that number. അതായത് if you have a number, നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ എന്തുണ്ട്, ഒരു നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്, that number may be x, and what is 10 part of the number? 1 by 10 part of the number means what? You want to divide 10 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 part is that. And can you see what is 10 part of the number? Can you see 10 part of that number? Yes. 10 part of the number is 1 by 10 part of the number is what? This is 1 by 10 part of the number. And now what is 1 by 9 part of the number? This is 1 by 10 part, and what is 1 by 9 part? Then you want to draw the number again, and you want to divide either fraction into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the same number x is divided into 9 part. Then this part is what? 1 by 10 part of x. And this part is what? 1 by 9 part of the x. And which is bigger? You know, this part is small when the division is 10 base, and here the division is only 9. Therefore, x by 10 and x by 9. Comparing, you get x by 10 and x by 9. This part is small and this part is big. And now, what is again the value of x by 8? What is the value of x by 8? 8 division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same number is divided in the 8 division. 8 division. Then you see this is bigger than these two. My question, which is closer to x by 10? You know, the closer value of x by 10 is not x by 8. Other than x by 8, the closer value for x by 10 is what? X by 9. And similarly, we can compare with this x by 9, that is 1 by 9 part of x. You have so many fractions. The fraction is first, you said, that is the 10 by 1 by 10. And now another fraction, that is 11 by 100. You want to take 100 divisions here. You want to take 100 divisions here. Then you can take out of 11 from that, and 11 by 100. And now again you have another division, that is 111 by 1000. That is, you can part this as 1000 minute division. 1000 minute division. We can see it, and take 111 division from there, and you can take 100 division from there. Then comparing this one, this division is near to 1 by 9, but it is very closer to 1 by 9. And again you can see this division is very closer to 1 by 9. That is why we write 1 by 9 is equal to this division is closing to how much 1 and how much 0 is increasing here. That is why we get 1 by 9 is equal to 0.11111. And now this is not algebra, this is only a pictorial representation. And now we want to convert this pictorial representation into an algebra. And now we can discuss the algebra behind this. Let x be the number. Then you have the number is x, and the 1 by 9 part of x is x by 9, and 1 by 10 part of x is x by 10. And the difference between these two, what is the difference between these two? You know, when the difference is 10x minus 9x, that is 10x minus 9x divided by what? 9 into 10, that is equal to what? X by 90. You get x by 90. And now again we want to find the difference x by 9 minus 11 by 100 part of x. Here the figure 11 by 100 part of x, that is 11 by 100 part of x, that is equal to, you know, the LCM is 100, x minus here what? 99x by what? 9 into 100, that is 900, that is equal to 100 minus 99 is 1, that is x by 900. And this equation said that x by 10 is closer to x by 9, but 11 by 100 x is more closer to x by 9 than x by 10. x by 10 ഇതിനോട് എത്ര ക്ലോസർ ആണോ അതിനേക്കാൾ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ആണ് ഈ വാല്യൂ. അത് എവിടുന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നത്? ബിക്കോസ് ദിസ് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഈസ് ബിഗ് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഈസ് സ്മാൾ. And now we can write x by 9 minus 111 by 1000 part of x. What is this difference? This difference is 1000x minus 999x by what? 9000. That is equal to, again you get what? X by 9000. Then what this say? This difference is very small and negligible or vanishing. Therefore we can say this difference is very small when compared with this. Therefore this value is very closer to x by 9 than this. Again we can say x by 9 minus 1111 by 10,000 x is equal to x by what? 90,000. And that is why we say this value is very closer to this. And from this algebra we can say x by 10 is closer to x by 9, and 11 by 100 of x is closer to x by 9 than this, and 111 by 1000 x is closer to x by 9 than these two. And from this table this value is very closer to x by 9, and that is the algebra behind this.